Jimmy is dead. I mean, I still net like 12% yields a month on it. Well, 8 to 12. I don't know if that's dead. Seems better than a treasury. Anyway, whatever. I don't give a shit if like people sell it. As long as I can make money on my yields, it's worth holding, right? And then maybe one day Cohen will get his thumb out of his ass and spend some of the $1 billion he took from us and do something to improve the company. Can you tell us how you do that? I sell CCs on it at and in the money when I think the price is going to go down, and then when the price goes down, I buy them back, and then I wait for it to go up a little, and then I sell them again. Username does not check out. Anyway, well, that was milk toast earnings, but we're illiquid enough we might get a little covering. Remember, Gamma Max is at 23. And Linux is short. So Linux is short GME, which might be the actual most bullish case right now. All right, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Everybody have a good night. Do you want me to go over some of the... I'll go over some of the macro shit before I leave. So, ES broke down. We tested the 4450 level, bounced, and kind of landed right in between major resistances at 4461 and 76. The upside of this range, pretty bullish. Downside, I mean, we're bearish below 4450. A lot of the bullish positioning's hopes are pinned on productivity and unit labor costs coming tomorrow morning in the pre-market. Productivity and labor costs down, productivity up is the best bull case. If we see that, we'll probably see a push back to the call wall at 4,500 on SPX. If either of those come in moderate to bearish, like productivity's flat or down, and unit labor cost is, well, unit labor cost is probably going to be bullish regardless. But I could see us trading more in like the 4475, 4090 range without having quite enough momentum to regain gamma neutral. I do think that the goal going into next week is to get SPX sufficiently above gamma neutral before SLD. So over the next 3 days, I expect there to be, a pretty persistent bullish push. But if the data tomorrow is bad, we may not get it. So a lot of focus on tomorrow's data, especially because there's really nothing else coming in until CPI next week. That's about it for tonight, I think. So that's all. Later, guys. Have a good one.